Dear Exec, I heard through the grapevine that you're planning to do a press conference soon. That's great. I also heard that you were going to have one of your teams do a presentation in a conversational style. That's great too, but I also heard that you were running dress rehearsals already. That's less great. You know that you can't practice your way to a conversational style, right? I know that you're terrified of someone on your stage saying something wrong, someone complaining about the Oscars, someone leaking something they're not supposed to. But those are authentic things, aren't they? And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for opportunities for your developers to be authentic, to be excited, to share things that make their emotions higher. But of course, with that comes the risk of leaks or the risks of inappropriate things being said. And that's a reasonable worry. By practicing, by doing dress rehearsals, you do definitely make that way less likely to occur. But you're going to suck all that conversational energy out of that interaction. We'll talk about trying to win versus trying not to lose at a later date. But for now, at least be aware that you can practice yourself to safe, but you can't practice yourself to authentic. So you've got to choose which one matters more. A high confidence that nothing bad is going to be said, or a presentation that might have more energy, more authenticity, more of that conversational tone that you're looking for. Ultimately, it's up to you, but I actually have a different option. I don't know if you're going to like it. Do you remember the way you used to do presentations? Where you get up there, you've got a guy in a blazer and a t-shirt, and he reads off a teleprompter, and he dances around the stage, and he shows off the game. I've been that guy. I've had that blazer. I've danced on that stage. It isn't authentic, but it does work, and you can practice that until there's virtually no chance of something going wrong. It doesn't get you the same possibility for viral success that conversational style will, but it gets you more excitement than you're going to get out of a conversational presentation that has had all of the authenticity squeezed out of it through over practicing. And I know it's overdone, and I know you get made fun of for this presentation style. I know Devolver Digital every year makes a press conference that makes fun of your press conference, but it does work and it lets you be safe. So if you need to be safe, this is a better way to go. Don't try to go for authenticity. You can't practice your way to authenticity. Go for spectacle and bluster, because you can keep that through dress rehearsal after dress rehearsal, practice after practice. You can keep that energy up because it's coming from lots of different sources. So if you need safety and excitement, you might just have to swallow your pride and accept a more artificial presentation style. It's got highs that are lower than what you could get from a more authentic style, but you're too scared to go with the more authentic style fully, so it probably fits with what you want better. Nobody's giving you an A for a presentation covered in celebrities and confetti cannons. But you know, there's nothing wrong with a B. Well, anyway, have a great press conference. Hopefully this advice can serve you well. Yours, ever helpfully, Mark.